welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Mandy, and so for today's video I'm going to be doing a rainbow inspired look. So as you guys may know, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm currently doing the trend where my followers and friends could request looks for me to create. So I will put the image up here so that you guys can see the look that I will be recreating. Please make sure to subscribe, comment down below any suggestions, any questions, and let me know if you guys like this video by hitting that thumbs up button. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with some concealer. I already did my brows off camera. So, as you guys probably might wonder why I'm using a lighter concealer. This is so that I'm using colorful eyeshadows. You can use this for neutral eyeshadow as well to make the colors pop a bit more. So that's the reason why I always use a lighter concealer. So this is the finished look, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please make sure to subscribe. Bye.